Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are doing well at home. Here I am, your English teacher, Miss Sadaf Javed, with new video of Unit 7. In our last video, we read the chapter, and in this video, we are going to do book exercises. So kindly take out your pencils and your books. This is our chapter, Little Mouse Leaves Home. Okay, activities exercise on page number 30. First exercise A is answer the question. There are the words given in the word cloud like too small, little, cat, mouse, cock and little mouse. You have to select the correct word and you have to put it in the answer. Number 1. Who want to see the world? We know that little mouse want to see the world. So answer is little mouse. Question number 2. What animal have big paws and 4 legs? The answer is the cat. Who has a red hat and 2 legs? That is the cock. Why did the mouse come home? He was too small to go away. Number 5. Who was fed up? Little mouse was fed up. Who has wings? The cat, the little mouse or the cock? We know that the cock has the wings. Exercise B is true or false on page number 30. The little mouse left home. Yes, correct. Tick. The cat was very nice. No, the cat was terrible. So cross. The cock helped the cat. No, the cock did not help the cat. Number 4. The cock helped the mouse. Yes, correct. The cock has big paws. Wrong. The cat eats mice. Yes, correct. The mouse has red paws. No, wrong. Mouse do not have red paws. Number 8. Little mouse is happy now. Yes, it is correct. Little mouse is happy now. Exercise C. Imagine, copy and color. There is a picture of the cock and the cat. You have to draw the picture of cock and the cat in the empty column, and then you have to color it. It is a very simple drawing. Use and follow the pattern and draw the cock and the cat and then color them. Okay, on book page number 31 there are language exercises. Write complete sentences. We have done this exercise in our previous units, so it is easy exercise. You will see the words are given and there is something missing in the sentence. You have to complete the sentence by adding new words. For example, mouse little away. There are some words missing. So how you are going to make the sentence? The little mouse ran away. Number 2. Afraid, big, cat. Correct sentence and complete sentence would be I am afraid of big cat. Number 3. Mouse, cock, saw. Correct sentence will be mouse saw the cock. Number 4. Ran home back. Mouse ran back to home. Number 5. Mum laughed mouse. Correct sentence is Mum laughed at the mouse. You can change the sentence by adding some new words. If you do not like these sentences, you can make your own sentences, but use these words correctly in the sentence. Exercise B, all about me. Write the words. Dear students, you can see there are different words in the word cloud. That is mouse, horse, cat, lion, bird, wasp, shark, dog, fish, cock, tiger, camel. Now you have to put these words in the table according to the instructions given. I am afraid of. मैं किस चीज़ से डरता हूँ? I told lion, mouse and dog. I am afraid of lion, mouse and dog. I am smaller than a. मैं किस चीज़ से छोटा हूँ? Camel, tiger, horse. You can write about any other animals if you see in the word cloud. There is shark, there is lion. Okay. I would like. What you would like? Here I have written about myself that I would like a cat, bird and cock. It depends on you that which animals you are afraid of, from which animals you are smaller and which animals would you like. So you have to write it about yourself. Exercise C, read and match on the same page number 31. Here are the statements given with the numbers. You have to put the numbers with the picture. For example, number 1. The mouse has a bag and sees the cat. In which picture you can see the mouse has a bag? You can see in the very last picture. The mouse has a bag and he is seeing the cat. So write number 1 with this picture. Then number 2, the cat has a bag and the mouse has a hat. With this picture on the left, the last picture, you will see on the left of this picture there is a cat who is holding a bag and the mouse is wearing a hat. So write number 2 with this picture. Number 3, the cock is looking at the mouse. In which picture you can see that the cock is looking at the mouse? The third picture. There the cat is looking, the cock is looking at the mouse. So write number 3 with this picture. Number 4, the cat is looking at the cock. The very first picture in which the cat is looking at the cock. Write number 4 with this picture. Do this exercise on page number 31. Okay, on page number 32 there are grammar exercise. Write did, do or does. Dear student, we write did with past things. Something which has happened, जो काम हो चुका है उसके साथ हम did लिखते हैं. We write do with I, you, we or they. And we use does with he, she, it, this and that. Okay, first question is dash you like sweets? Here you are asking the question and there is you. So, do you like sweets? In the second statement, dash you fall in the yard. Okay, here the question is again about that you fall in the yard. Fall is the first form of verb and here we can use did. For dear student, be very careful that whenever we use did, there should be first form of the verb in the sentence. So, did you fall in the yard? Number 3, dash the coat fit you? Here is does the coat fit you? There we are talking about the object, the coat. Here there is a thing. So we are going to say does the coat fit you? Then number 4, dash I give it to you. Here they are asking question and there is a verb give. So we can add did. First form of verb is give. So we can add did I give it to you? Number 5, dash you have a dog? Here is you. So we can add do. Do you have a dog? Number 6, dash you buy them in the shop? Here is you and we can say do, but here is buy. Buy is also here and buy is the first form of verb. We can add did over here because with did we use first form of verb. So the statement will be did you buy them in the shop? Number 7, dash the teacher know? Here the know is first form of verb. We can add did. Did the teacher know? क्या टीचर को पता था? Number 8, dash you like it? Here you is used. You can use do. Do you like it? Number 9, dash the children know? Here you can write does. Does the children know? We can write the does in this sentence. Number 10, dash he like bones? We told you that we can use does with he, she, it. So does he like bones? This was the grammar exercise on page number 32. Exercise B, supermarket or swimming. There are different words given in the table. You have to write in front of these words that whether these things are found in supermarket or in swimming. Number 1, basket. Basket is found in supermarket. Swimsuit is seen in swimming pool, in the swimming area. Milk, we can find milk in supermarket. Pool, we can see pool in swimming. Number 5, trolley. Trolley is found in supermarket. Towel, we need towel for swimming. After swimming, we need the towel. Bread, we can find bread in the supermarket. Number 8, yogurt. Yogurt can be also found in supermarket. Swim cap. Swim cap, so definitely swimming. Number 10, checkout. In which place do we check out after paying the bill? That is supermarket. Do this exercise on page number 32. The last exercise is exercise C, listen and spell. Here are the dictation words for you. You have to learn these dictation words and then your parents are going to take the dictation on page number 32. First word is beware. 2, fierce, terrible, flapped, wings, silly, looked, pause, gentle, voice. You have to learn the spelling of these words. Now your homework is to do all the exercises on book from page number 30 to 32. Learn dictation words. Parents should take dictation words on book page number 32. Do your homework carefully and learn the dictation words. Till then, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.